Dear learners, now let's come to our third inventory metrics, which is inventory turnover ratio. One of the important metrics which talks about inventory performance. Now let's define inventory turnover ratio first, and then we will talk about the formula. So inventory turnover ratio is denoted in a number, and that number is nothing but this number is number of times a company sells its average inventory over a specific period of time. And the formula for inventory turnover ratio is cost of goods sold divided by average inventory. Now we have already seen what is cost of goods sold and what is average inventory in our previous metrics. So let's take an example of our previous numbers. So in our previous calculation, the cost of goods sold was 54,000 and our average inventory was 13,000. So once we put these numbers in a formula, we get a number which is 4.15. Hence, an average inventory is sold 4 times in the period of calculation. That means throughout the entire year, a company sells average inventory 4 times in a year. Now, in an ideal situation, if inventory turnover ratio is more, then the performance is better. That means average inventory should be sold multiple times by a company to represent the better performance. And on the other side, if inventory turnover ratio is low, that means company's sales is not performing well, or company is carrying more inventory in their facilities. And that's why more the inventory turnover ratio, better the performance of the company.